Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and use indicator templates in GoCharting. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is head on over to GoCharting.com and access the charts. I'm using Bitcoin USD for this demonstration. Now what we need to do here is have two options enabled. So those options are, if we click on the three dots, make sure indicators is enabled and templates as well. So when we click templates, you can see it will appear where my mouse cursor is. So you should have study and templates there. If you don't, this is what it's going to look like. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to create my template. So I'm going to click on study and now overlay. I'm going to add in a Bollinger Band for this, and also an ATR band as well, and we can add a trailing stop loss. So they are the three things I want to add for this template. And now from here I'm going to go to my templates, and now I'm going to go ahead where it says my first template, go ahead and give this a name. So for this demonstration I'm just going to call this Tuts template, like so. I'll do this again, just call it Tuts just to be quicker. And now I want to save symbol and save interval, and then click on to save. And now we can see here, once I've saved it, if we come down the bottom here, it's going to have Tuts, my name that I've called it, Bollinger Band, ATR band, ATA, trolling, stop. So now this is very handy if you want to go and access a template quite quick because you've already created that template.